Good morning, mini meatballers. I love the springtime and I love the sound of this. Can you hear that? It's all the bees working. They're collecting pollen and it's pollinating the trees. And this tree, do you know what kind of tree it is? It's an apple tree. And we're going to get the most fantastic apples here. Look at them working hard. We've got a few different apple trees, and we even planted a new one here. So this one hasn't got any flowers at the moment, but these ones, look at the amount of flowers, absolutely beautiful. See you later.